midst of the biggest financial services reform that the industry has seen since the birth of superannuation over 2 decades ago, which is why this year's Future of Superannuation Summit is going to be bigger than ever. You'll hear how the 2016 Scott Morrison budget will really impact the industry, hone in on the trends which are revolutionising the superannuation landscape, such as robo and digitised advice, and learn how to stay ahead of the game with an inside look into the best practices being used by some of the best fund executives. But most importantly, you'll be in the engine room that's driving the industry, be a part of panel discussions that create change, and you'll hear from some of the most powerful CEOs and executives in the industry. Not to mention the federal government's Assistant Treasurer, Kelly O'Dwyer, and the Shadow Minister for Financial Services and Superannuation, Jim Chalmers. Other speakers include the Financial Services Council CEO, Sally Lone, Macquarie Group CIO, John O'Connell, BT Financial Group's General Manager of Superannuation, Melinda Howes, UniSuper's Executive Manager, Marketing and Product, Tim Anderson, and Australian Super's Group Executive of Engagement Advocacy and Brand, Georgina Williams. You'll also hear from QSuper's CEO, Michael Pennisi, Telstra Super's CEO, Christopher Davies, Energy Industries Superannuation Scheme CEO Alexander Hutchinson, Qantas Super's CEO Michael Clancy, and Legal Super's CEO Andrew Probstlaw. You'll also meet other industry leaders, including the Association of Superannuation Funds of Australia Chief Policy Officer Glenn McRae, Willis Tower Watson's Managing Director Andrew Bowl, and Deloitte's partner Russell Mason. You'll meet economists such as Queensland University of Technology's Chair of Advisory Committee Julian Pearce, Colonial First State Global Asset Management's Head of Economic and Market Research Stephen Helmarick, UBS's Chief Economist Scott Haslam, and the Australian Institute of Company Directors Chief Economist Stephen Walters. You'll also meet technology and member experience leaders, including Equip Super's Executive Officer of Member Relationships, Justin Sadler, AMP's Digital Director, Michael Weeding, and Sunsuper's Head of Customer Analytics, Insights and Digital Experience, Clarissa Keel.